Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a contact us form. This is the whole page we are going to be building today. Subscribe our channel for more contents like this and watch our previous videos regarding React.js. If you are unfamiliar with React or you need to gather more knowledge. Now let's get into the code. First, I'm going to add this Lottie file. I'll uh, I'll bring another video about this adding these animations to your website. Then I'm going to create pages folder. Inside it, I'm to add the file contact us JS and CSS. Okay, now it is done. And let's edit the contact JS form. I'm going to import React, then create this constant as contact. It returns some value and I'm going to export it. Okay, now go to app.js and import these libraries and contact us. Then contact us here. Now the layout is done. We have to edit contact us.js. I'm going to import all the libraries we need to use and our animation. Last one, and yeah, it is done. And now let's initialize a state variable called data using useState hook in React. And then create a array, the current state value, data in this case, initially an object with empty fields for name, email, phone, and message. And lastly, this function is responsible for handling changes to the form fields. Then the function handles the form submission event. It prevents the default form submission behavior to reload the page. This is like for demonstration on purposes. In real application, you'd probably submit the data to server, perform other action with it. Now let's get into the form. First create a division, name first section, and I'm going to add a style here of display flex, justify the space between margin top let's give 50 pixels. Then I'm going to create another division inside it for our three icons and our address, phone number, and mail. Style the division, and then I'm going to add the icon. I'm going to add the location and enter your address there. Then I'm going to do the same process for telephone number. Going to add button here. Okay, now add the telephone number. Then I'm going to add email. The same process. You can download this code from the GitHub in description below. Now let's get into our form. I'm going to first add the load key, the animation of the left side of the form, and then I'm going to create the form. Inside this is when where we are going to build our form. Add the title here, then add labels. First, let's put the name, then email, then let's add phone number. For message, first let's finish. Okay, for message, I'm going to use a text area. And lastly, this is the basically our form. Lastly, let's add the submit button. Okay, now it's done. Let's add our styles. First, I'm going to add styles of the container. I'm going to add the box shadow, margin, and width. Let's give 100%. Then let's style the input field. I'm going to give with 100% here as well. Margin, let's give 10. Padding 10. Font family Poppins. Background color, I'm going to keep white. and border. Okay, now let's start submit button. Height 50 with 100 and border 3 pixels. Background color, I'm going to do this. And okay, now let's style dot container. I'm going to justify flex 1, then display flex, justify content, flex start, align items, flex start as well. I'm going to give a width and height. For label, I'm going to add the colors. And okay, now everything is perfect. Let's run our code. Type npm start in terminal and enter. Our form is done and it looks perfect. If you have any question regarding this video, please comment down below. You can get the code from GitHub link in the description. And please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Hope you enjoyed it and you can watch previous videos for more knowledge as well. Keep coding and keep smiling. Goodbye.